Hi everyone, my name is Helen. I'm here to explain to you people how to make use of one beautiful cream that I'm using. This cream is very nice. Everybody can use it. If you are fair, dark, chocolate, you can use it. What is this cream that I'm talking of? Ta-la! Caro White. You see this cream? This carrot is a very nice cream. Fair people can use it, dark person can use it, chocolate person can use it. Oh yes, as you can see me now, that is the cream that I'm using. Yeah, this Caro White, that is my cream. The cream is very nice. Anybody that's telling you that Caro White is not a nice cream, that person is a lie. Now let me tell you, but some people are mistaking this cream. Some people doesn't know how to make use of this cream. That's why some people are saying negative things about this Caro White. Caro White is a nice cream, yes. I've been using Caro White more than 10 years now. But some people say that you used to burn them. It's on how you're making use of it. As you can see me, did I have any burn on my face? Did I have any burn on my face? No. I didn't have any burn on my face because I knows how to use it. Now, in this video, I'm going to share the proven strategies on how to make use of this Caro White. How are you using Caro White? If you are using this Caro White and you notice all these white dots, if white dot is coming out from your body, please stop using it. Pause at least for 1 week. Give it a try. Stop rubbing it for 1 week. Then after that 1 week, you start again. If it continues, if you are a fair person, if it repeats itself, what are you going to do? Go to market and buy all this oil that they used to mix with cream. Go to those that are selling cream. Ask them for the oil that you can use and mix cream. They will give it to you. When they give it to you, then you can mix it with this Caro White and you no more be seeing all these white dots on your body. I hope you guys are getting me. If you have any question, please simple ask me the question on my comment box. I'm going to answer you. So Caro White is not bad. Fair people can use it. Dark chocolate can use it. Yes. Even a dark person can use this Caro White. But if you are using it and you notice that it's changing your color, buy that oil. You can go to market, just ask them oil that you can use to mix any cream. They will give it to you. Then you will pour it. You bring another container. Take some of this Caro White. Then with that oil that they give you, apply it to mix the two of them and be rubbing it. You will see that's your dark. It will be sparkling. Oh yes. Or if you're chocolate in color, the same time you use it and see it's changing, bleaching you, no. Go and buy the oil, apply it on your cream and be rubbing it. You will see how your skin will be greatly. Yes, that is Caro White for you. But some people saying that Caro White used to burn them. Caro White doesn't burn anybody. Yes, maybe they're applying all this bleach cream that is inside too. Maybe they're applying it inside this. If you apply that type of bleaching cream that's inside this, what do you expect? It will burn your face into two. But for me, you can see my face. I've been using this cream for many years now. It haven't burned me. It didn't do me anything. See my face. My face burn. My face gone burn. No. So all I'm saying is this cream is very nice. You should buy it. But if you're buying it, knows how to use it. When you rub it on your body, if your body takes it, you continue using it. But if your body not take it, then you look for this oil and apply to it, so that as you're using it, it will not burn. You will not be getting all the white dots and all the black spots on your face. I hope you will get me. Yeah. So if you have any question, comment ask me the question on my comment box. I'm going to reply to you. So this Caro White is a nice cream, and I'm advising anybody that wants to use it, you should go on. I know there is hydroquinone inside 2%. It's not all that much, but if you want to use it, if you are scared of rubbing it so that you will not get your face will not get burnt or any part of your body, please apply that oil. Don't rub it like that. So that is that. So if you want to be using this cream, be using it because this cream is nice all and all that I have. Even though I introduced the cream to my mom is a fair person. Mom, if you see my mom now, if you see my mom is shiny. So this Caro is nice. Use it. It will be good for you. Bye. This is all I can tell you people about this Caro White. Caro White is everything. See you.